So here's where the magic is happening. We are currently playing around with a new toy. So this is my digital SLR. It's my Nikon 3300. I now have it set up to take in a monitor feed. So that means I can actually see myself while I'm shooting stuff. So back to the studio. It is a bit of a mess. Over there you'll see my green screen. You'll see other stuff around which is family related, but ultimately this is the space that we create the magic in. You'll notice this guy in the background, who you've seen probably during my videos as well. So that is the new setup for the studio. I'm going to try a few videos going forward with the DSLR now because I'll have a bit more control over what I shoot. But yeah, there we go. You can see everything in action, mostly. So, onwards and upwards. We've got another toy to play with, and I'm looking forward to it.